Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a specified device or a file you may not have the appropriate permission to access the item. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay, first of all in the search box type go to your settings, go to your privacy and security. Go to your Windows security. After doing this step, go to your app and browser control. After that, go to your reputation based protection settings. After that, turn off potential unwanted app blocking. Turn off it. Close it. I hope after doing this step, your problem is fixed. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.